Class 8th, exercise A. In this exercise, they are asking add the following rational numbers. Let's see first question, 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5. You all know that how to do it. Take the LCM of the denominator and find out how many times it has to be multiplied. It's to be multiplied by one time. It is also the one time. So minus 2 plus 4 equals plus 2 upon 5. That's the answer. Let's see another question. We have 3 whole 3 upon 4 and 4 whole 1 upon 3. To solve this question, we have to change this improper form. This is mixed. So it will be 12 and 3, 15 upon 4, and this will be 12 and 1, 13 upon 3. To solve this question, we have to do addition. To do addition, take the LCM. LCM of these two will be 12. How many times it has to be multiplied? 15 3s are 45, 13 4s are 52. Add them, it will be 7. This will be 9 upon 12. That will be the answer. Let's see another. We have another question, 2 and minus 5 upon 4. So what to do in this? We can say it is not 2, it is 2 upon 1. Then we can just do this, minus 5 upon 4. Take their LCM. LCM will be 4. How many times it has to be multiplied? 4 times. How many times it has to be multiplied? Only one time. 2 into 4 is 8, plus minus. I told you opposite sign, minus. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 upon 4. 9 upon minus 14 plus 17 upon 21 equals 17 upon minus 21 plus 9 upon minus 14. This is the question. So first of all, we'll solve the left hand side of the equal sign. Take the LCM. LCM will be 42. This minus sign will go in the numerator, so it will remain minus as it is. How many times you have to multiply? You have to multiply by 3 times. 9 3s are 27. This plus minus, I told you, opposite sign, minus. 21, how many times it will go? 2 times. 34. Solve them. Minus minus, same sign, plus. So add them. This is 1, 6, and sign will be of the bigger one. It is minus sign upon 42. Now let's solve the right hand side. Take the LCM. LCM will remain as it is, 42. How many times you have to multiply? Multiply 2 times. How many times this has to be multiplied? 3 times. So 14 needs to be multiplied 3 times to make it 42. So 34, but the sign will be of minus, and this is 27, but sign will be of plus and minus. Plus minus is minus. So minus minus plus. It is 61 upon 42. I hope it is clear. It is now verified. If they are asking to verify, take the LHS, RHS, solve LHS, solve RHS, you will get the same exact value. Now there is a question, additive inverse. What does this mean? Additive inverse, like if I have 5, additive inverse of 5 should be a number. On adding the number to this, the result should be 0. Now it is very easy for you. What should be added to 5 to make it 0? Minus 5. So what is the additive inverse of x? Additive inverse of x will be minus x. I hope it is clear. Additive inverse of minus 3 upon 11 will be plus 3 upon 11. Additive inverse of minus 16 upon minus 5, it will be minus 16 upon 5. Now how it is? Because minus minus is always plus. So here it is plus, then the additive inverse will be minus. It is very easy, I think. Just need to add a minus sign. Whatever it is here, add a minus sign, you will get the additive inverse. See another question. We have to subtract 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. We have to subtract 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. To solve this, we have to change the place. 1 upon 3 will come forward, 3 upon 4 will go backward, from will change into minus. Take their LCM, LCM will be 12. How many times it has to be multiplied? How many times this has to be multiplied? So it will be 4 and this will be 9, and you know that 4 minus 9 is minus 5 upon 12 is the answer. Now there is a question they are asking to solve it by using rearrangement property and find the sum. Rearrangement property is means you whenever you need to change it, you can change it the position, like minus 11 upon 6 will come forward, minus 8 upon 3 can go backward depending on wherever it wants. So what can we do? There are different methods. What I told you, minus all the negatives should be solved together and all the positives should be solved together. This is called a rearrangement property. All the negatives should be solved together. So take their LCM. LCM of these three will be 12. How many times it has to be multiplied? 4 times. This to be multiplied 3 times. This to be multiplied by 2 times. So again 3 has to be multiplied 4 times, 4 has to be multiplied 3 times, and 6 has to be multiplied by 2 times. So it will give us minus 32, this will give us minus 3, and this will give us minus 22. Plus 3 upon 8 will remain as it is. Solve it. Minus 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 is plus. I told you same sign, addition. 32 and 3, 35, 35 and 22 is 57 upon 12. Sign will be of the bigger one, which one? Minus. Plus 3 upon 8. Now what you have to do? Solve it. Take the LCM. LCM of these two will be 24. How many times it has to be multiplied? 2 times. How many times? 8 should be multiplied 3 times. So it will be minus 114, and this will be plus 9. On solving it, what will get? 105 on 24. What should be subtracted from this? From this means something should be subtracted from this to get minus 2. To solve this question, what we are going to do? We will going to change the place. We will going to bring this here. We are going to send it that. So minus 7 will 11 will remain as it is. Minus 2 will come here, becomes plus 2. Minus x will go that side, becomes plus x. And take their LCM. LCM will be 11 minus 7 plus 22. That's equal to 15 upon 11. That's the value of the thing that they are asking.